Today I will talk about how can you enable subcategory on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on configuration here. So then you come to next step here, then all you have to do, just click here on subcategory, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on. So that like you see here, subcategory enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.